The Jordan 5 Retro OG Black Metallic Reimagined. This pair brings back an all-time classic with a fresh twist. So, let's dive straight into the unboxing and see what makes this sneaker an absolute must-have. Originally released in 1990 and famously worn by Michael Jordan on the court, this shoe has been reimagined with premium materials while still keeping its iconic look. The upper features that sleek black nubuck, complemented by the signature reflective 3M tongue that shines under the light. We've also got the classic Nike Air branding on the back, staying true to its OG roots. And, of course, the translucent icy outsole gives it that fresh, clean finish. This sneaker is all about heritage and timeless style. This sneaker isn't just about looks, it's built for both style and performance. The Jordan 5 Retro OG Black Metallic Reimagined comes with an air unit in the midsole, giving you that legendary comfort and cushioning. The mesh side panels help with breathability, making sure your feet stay cool. And let's not forget the shark tooth midsole design, inspired by World War II fighter planes, adding that aggressive and bold look. Whether you're rocking these on the streets or keeping them as a collector's piece, they've got everything you need in a high-quality sneaker. Rsneaker.net is your ultimate destination for high-quality replica sneakers. Whether you're looking for the latest Air Jordans, Balenciaga runners, or Dior kicks, this website offers a wide selection of stylish and premium quality sneakers at affordable prices. Every pair is crafted with attention to detail, ensuring that customers get the best value for their money. Shopping on Rsneaker.net guarantees both style and affordability, making it the go-to platform for sneaker enthusiasts worldwide. We understand that trust is essential when shopping online, and that's why we encourage you to check out our reviews on Trustpilot. Many satisfied customers have shared their experiences, highlighting the quality of our sneakers, fast shipping, and excellent customer service. These real customer reviews serve as proof that Rsneaker.net is a legitimate and reliable platform where you can shop with confidence. Now, here's the best part. As a special offer for our viewers, we are providing an exclusive discount code, RSNOW. By applying this code at checkout, you get 15% off your entire purchase. Let's break it down. These sneakers originally cost $153, but after applying the RSNOW discount, the final price drops to just $130.05. It's an incredible deal that makes shopping at Rsneaker.net even more worthwhile. At Rsneaker.net, customer satisfaction is our top priority. Our dedicated team works tirelessly to ensure smooth order processing and quick deliveries. If you ever have questions or need assistance, our support team is always ready to help. Whether it's tracking an order, understanding sizing, or resolving any concerns, we are committed to providing top-notch service to our customers. That's a wrap on today's unboxing of the Jordan 5 Retro OG Black Metallic Reimagined. Let me know in the comments, are you copying or dropping these? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Rsnow Unbox, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another sneaker unboxing. More heat is on the way, so stay tuned. Catch you in the next one, peace.